Adrenochrome Reportage, Unpacking the Myths and Realities. Adrenochrome, a chemical compound produced by the oxidation of adrenaline, has become the subject of numerous conspiracy theories and sensationalist claims. Despite its relatively mundane scientific background, adrenochrome has been thrust into the spotlight by various fringe groups and internet communities. This essay explores the origins of adrenochrome reportage, the myths surrounding it, and the impact of these narratives on public perception. The scientific basis of adrenochrome reportage is a compound that results from the oxidation of adrenaline. It was first discovered in the early 20th century and has been studied for its potential effects on the human body. Some early research suggested that adrenochrome might have psychoactive properties, leading to hallucinations and other mental effects. However, these findings were not conclusive, and adrenochrome has not been widely studied or used in medical practice. In the scientific community, adrenochrome is considered a relatively obscure compound with limited practical applications. It is primarily of interest to researchers studying the biochemistry of adrenaline and related compounds. Despite its lack of prominence in mainstream science, adrenochrome has gained a significant amount of attention in popular culture and conspiracy theories. The rise of adrenochrome conspiracy theories. The adrenochrome conspiracy theories gained traction in the early 21st century, particularly within the context of the QAnon movement. QAnon is a far-right conspiracy theory that alleges the existence of a secret cabal of powerful elites engaged in various nefarious activities, including child trafficking and ritualistic abuse. According to these theories, adrenochrome is harvested from the adrenal glands of children and used by these elites as a drug to maintain youth and vitality. These claims are entirely unfounded and lack any scientific evidence. The idea that adrenochrome can be harvested from humans and used as a drug is a fabrication with no basis in reality. Nevertheless, the sensational nature of these claims has captured the imagination of many, leading to widespread dissemination of misinformation. Adrenochrome in popular culture. The concept of adrenochrome has also been popularized by various works of fiction. One of the most notable references is found in Hunter S. Thompson's book, Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas, where the protagonist consumes adrenochrome and experiences intense hallucinations. This fictional portrayal has contributed to the mystique surrounding the compound, despite its lack of scientific validity. Other references to adrenochrome can be found in films, television shows, and internet memes, further embedding the concept in popular culture. These portrayals often blur the line between fiction and reality, making it difficult for some individuals to distinguish between the two. The impact of adrenochrome reportage. Widespread reportage of adrenochrome conspiracy theories has several significant impacts. Firstly, it contributes to the spread of misinformation and the erosion of trust in scientific and medical institutions. When people are exposed to sensationalist claims without critical scrutiny, they may become more susceptible to believing in other unfounded theories. Secondly, the adrenochrome conspiracy theories have real-world consequences for individuals and communities. For example, some individuals targeted by these theories have faced harassment and threats. The spread of these narratives can also contribute to a climate of fear and suspicion, undermining social cohesion and trust. Combating misinformation. Address the spread of adrenochrome conspiracy theories requires a multifaceted approach. Education and critical thinking are essential tools in combating misinformation. By promoting scientific literacy and encouraging individuals to question and verify the information they encounter, we can reduce the impact of sensationalist claims. Social media platforms also play a crucial role in curbing the spread of misinformation. These platforms must take responsibility for monitoring and removing harmful content that promotes unfounded conspiracy theories. Additionally, fact-checking organizations can help debunk false claims and provide accurate information to the public. Conclusion. Adrenochrome reportage, driven by conspiracy theories and sensationalist claims, has created a distorted perception of a relatively obscure chemical compound. While adrenochrome has limited scientific significance, it has become a focal point for various unfounded narratives. Combating the spread of these theories requires a concerted effort to promote scientific literacy, critical thinking, and responsible media practices. By addressing the root causes of misinformation, we can foster a more informed and rational public discourse.